Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to make this announcement. After nearly 2 years of work, I can announce that my course, Understanding React, is 100% complete. It's 16 and a half hours under the hood inside React source code, where together we get a full and complete mental model that will help you in your work with React or working on getting jobs that have to do with React or React meta frameworks. Understanding React has been a labor of love. I spent a lot of time reading all of React's source code just to make sure that I'm giving you the most accurate depiction of how React works as possible. Now, to celebrate, you can go to understandingreact.com, and when you check out, when you enroll, you can add the coupon code REACT24 for the next week, and you can get the course at a special celebratory price. Or you can click the link in the description of this video, which will add the coupon for you. What are you getting with this course? Well, like I said, 16 and a half hours inside React source code. There's so much to learn, so much that will clarify your mental model. In those 16 and a half hours, we're covering 158 lectures. You get 80 sample code folders. And in the end, again, you'll have that proper mental model, the best mental model there is, when you actually understand how something works. We talk through the fiber trees and reconciliation, the event structure and how it actually works, synthetic events in React. We look at all the hooks. Where do they live inside React source code, inside the browser when they're running, and effects? How does this actually all happen? How does it tie in with the rendering structure in the fiber tree of React? We also take time throughout the course looking at semantic accessible markup in our components, not just returning divs from everything. And all this work helps us to fully, truly understand React server components. And it's not just about watching me code. We'll have a lot of visual explanations of what's going on inside React source code. So whether you're just using React or React meta framework like Next.JS or Remix, at the core of those meta frameworks is React itself. The better you understand React, the better you'll be able to use meta frameworks like Next.js and Remix. I'm happy to say that a lot of students have already taken the course, and I'm really happy with the results and the feedback from those students. So again, go to understandingreact.com, and when you check out, you can apply the coupon code REACT24, which you simply do when checking out by clicking on Add Coupon Code and type REACT24 and apply. Or again, you can click on the link in the description of this video. Whether you're a coder who's new to React or you've been using React for years, I think you'll find a lot of benefit from understanding truly how it really works. So I hope to see you in the course, and happy coding.